French doors are a timeless design element that blends elegance with functionality. Latest French door designs focus on modern materials, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Varieties include traditional, sliding, folding, and pivot French doors. Glass panel designs, minimalist frames, and bold color options are trending. French doors have long been a symbol of elegance and class in home design, and they continue to evolve to suit contemporary aesthetics. The latest French door designs combine timeless beauty with modern materials and features that enhance both the visual appeal and functionality of your home. Whether you're renovating your living space or building a new one, incorporating French doors can instantly elevate the style while improving access to natural light and outdoor views. One of the biggest shifts in French door designs is the use of innovative materials that offer durability and energy efficiency. Traditionally, French doors were made of wood, but now homeowners have a wider range of material options to choose from. Aluminum, uPVC, and steel French doors are increasingly popular due to their longevity, low maintenance, and modern look. These materials are designed to withstand weather changes and improve insulation, making them ideal for energy-conscious homeowners. Additionally, modern French doors often come with insulated or double-glazed glass panels, significantly improving thermal performance. These energy-efficient designs help maintain indoor temperatures, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, all while allowing plenty of natural light to flood in. The latest French door designs emphasize sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics, and practicality. Traditional French doors, with their multiple small panes of glass, are still beloved by many, but new designs feature larger glass panels and slimmer frames to create a more open, airy feel. The thin framing maximizes the amount of glass, offering unobstructed views and enhancing the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Among the trending configurations are sliding French doors. While classic French doors open outward or inward on hinges, sliding designs are ideal for homes with limited space. They offer the same amount of glass and elegance but take up no additional floor space when opened. Sliding French doors are perfect for patios, balconies, or rooms with beautiful garden views, combining practicality with stylish design. Another innovative style is folding French doors, which allow an entire wall to be opened up to the outdoors. These doors fold neatly to the side, creating a wide, unobstructed passageway. This design is especially popular in homes that aim to blur the line between interior and exterior living spaces. Perfect for hosting gatherings or simply enjoying nature from the comfort of your home, folding French doors add a touch of modern luxury. For a more modern twist, pivot French doors are also becoming a favorite. Instead of using traditional side hinges, pivot doors rotate on a central axis, giving the door a unique look and movement. This design works well in contemporary homes, offering a blend of traditional French door aesthetics with cutting-edge functionality. The glass design of French doors plays a significant role in setting the tone for the overall look,